In this video, we are going to be looking at the debate on the decline of political theory. When we talk about the debate on the decline of political theory, we generally look at David Easton. David Easton was a Canadian-American political scientist, and he was one of the main critics of political theory. Easton made the following points. The first one, political theory is based on mere speculation. It is not based on observation, and no proof exists for the theories. I repeat, Easton says that political theory is based on mere speculation and there is no observation involved. Hence, there is no proof for the theories. They are just simply theories. The second point Easton makes is, political theory is devoid of any acute observation of any political realities. Easton says, there is no observation of any political realities and it is only theory. Third point Easton makes is, Easton strongly believed that it was necessary to free the study of politics from a compulsory reading of the classics like the works of Plato, Aristotle, etc. He also wanted to free political theory from the history of political ideas. What was necessary, according to Easton, was to begin the study of politics from a scientific point of view. So it is very clear that Easton is a proponent of political science and the scientific point of view. He criticizes political theory, saying that the study of politics should be made only from a scientific point of view and not just from a theoretical point of view. Easton further went on to say that he wanted to free politics from a compulsory reading of the classics. The political science course for part A of paper 1 of the political science and international relations optional course is available only on the Rama IAS app. The link is given in the description to download it. You can watch the videos and read the notes there. The subscription for this video course is as shown on the screen. Previous year question papers for PSIR are included along with topic-wise segregation of the last 19 years of question papers. The app also has free previous year prelims question papers, organized by year and organized by subjects or topics. You can solve all the questions any number of times you want on the app. This is free. The Constitution of India is also available on the app for reference along with NCERT textbooks to download and read on the app itself. So everything is available at one point. The detailed syllabus, book list for different GS papers and optional subjects is also available. You can visit ramaias.com and you can download the app from Play Store as well. Thank you.